I'm Dave Curry. I'm the Director of Career and Technical Education here at Milton Hershey School. What I'm trying to do throughout the course of this school year is spend a few days in every CTE classroom as a student. I want to learn what the students are learning, I want to learn how they're learning, and I want to be a part of the classroom in a different way than if I were just to sit in as an administrator. Today I was in the Culinary Arts Kitchen. This was my first day. Today I made orecchiette, which is just a little ball of pasta kind of folded over and cooked. There's a sauce that's added to it at the end. It's one thing to learn the theory and to read and write about it. It's another thing to get into the kitchen and do it. To see our students who are now able to apply the theory into the practice, it really is the core of career tech. This is definitely very enjoyable to get into the classroom, to work with the students.
A lot of people who are often higher up don't often think to see what students are doing and get hands-on. I think that's a really awesome thing that he did.
I want to make sure for me and for our school that I always have a pulse of what our students and our teachers are doing, and I felt like this was a good way to try to continue to fully understand what's happening in the classroom in a different way.